In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company name in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process to ensure you can make this change smoothly and effortlessly. To get started, open your internet browser. While you can use any browser, it's recommended to use Google Chrome for optimal performance with QuickBooks Online. Once your browser is open, head over to the QuickBooks Online website. You'll need to log in as the admin user. This is crucial because only the admin user has the necessary permissions to access the settings we'll be modifying. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the gear icon. This little icon is your gateway to a variety of settings and options within QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account and Settings, which in some versions may appear as Company Settings. This is the area where you can manage all the essential details related to your company's QuickBooks account. Now, you're in the Settings area, look for the Company tab. The Company tab is your hub for all company-related information. Within this section, you'll find various options concerning your company's identity and basic settings. What we're focusing on here is changing the company name, so keep an eye out for the section labeled Company Name. Here, you'll want to find the edit icon, which looks like a little pencil. Click on this icon to open up the fields where your current company name is displayed. At this point, you can simply enter your new company name in the provided fields. This step is straightforward, but make sure you double check the spelling and accuracy of the new name you enter. Once you're satisfied with the changes, it's time to save them. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of this section. Click on it to apply and save your newly entered company name. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your company name in QuickBooks Online. Always remember that these changes take effect immediately, so make sure your new company name is ready to be displayed exactly as you want it before you save. QuickBooks makes it convenient to manage your company's information seamlessly, and knowing how to navigate these settings empowers you to keep your business details up to date. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides on optimizing your QuickBooks experience.